Ontop inside Edo today. Obaseki don salute work wey former IGP Arase do on top security of private property for Edo. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don salute the contribution wey former Inspector General of Police Dr. Solomon Arase do on top the fight wey state government do to comot illegal Community Development Association (CDAs) for Edo and the success wey dem record. He talk better things about Arase when he dey receive the resignation letter of the former police officer as chairman of Edo State Property Protection Committee. Say he received this letter with wetin Oyinbo dey call mixed feelings, mean say he happy and he no too happy. Obaseki talk say Edo State government pray say make things go well for am for national and international matters dem, as he accept him offer to be adviser to him administration on top security matter. He con still explain say him administration salute am as him be correct Edo son wey use all the experience wey him get to put ogbonge foundation for Edo State Private Property Protection Committee. We can see governor talk say Edo na one of the better states for business matter for the country, as e be say business dey go well for here, and this na because big work dey happen for Privacy Property Protection Committee as dem dey stop people wey dey sit down on top other people property. He yarn say property developers for Edo no happy for the things wey illegal Community Development Association (CDAs) dey do, as dem don hold Edo State development for ground tey. Na here we see the better informate reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, as Obaseki don salute the work wey former IGP Arase do on top security matter for private property protection for Edo. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge informate on top wetin shele for inside Edo today na T-Live Media na im bring am come for una. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge informate on top wetin dey shele for inside Edo, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T-Live Media TV. And if you still follow us for Facebook, make una like and follow our page for T-Live Media. Our website still don gidigba put to get correct informate as e dey hot for Edo State for www.tlivemedia.com.